This tutorial, I'll be showing how to combine load cases and load combinations together in the PL post. I'll use the same square slab with the 4 columns example that I usually use. So first off, I'm going to start off by drawing a rectangular object on the right side of this slab. Then I'm going to define it as a load patch. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to open the load cases. And in here, I can add a new load case, edit the selected one, or I can delete the current one. In this case, I will edit the current one, and I'm going to change it to dead load or DL. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to add a new load case, live load or LL. I'm going to click OK, and then post tension or PT. I'm going to click OK. The slab on weight will be included in the dead load case, and there needs to be a separate load case for the post tension slabs in case there are post tension slabs. I'm going to click OK to close the dialog box. And then click on Run to open the PL Core Manager. In this case, I'm going to save it as tutorial 18. And click Save. Now, I'm going to solve it, and as you notice that the 3 load cases have been loaded. After it has been solved successfully, I'm going to open the model in the PL post. After opening the model in the PL post, notice that the load case at the bottom left corner, the current load case, is DL, or dead load. Now I'm going to explore how to combine load cases. So I'm going to go to Select Case. I'm going to click on Add to add a new combination. And then I'm going to click on New Combo for it to select it. Notice that the first load case is DL, or dead load. I'm going to change its value. I'm going to select it. I'm going to change its value to 1, or the multiplier to 1. And then I'm going to click Anywhere to confirm the change in value. Now, I would like to also add another entry, so I'm going to click on Add Entry. I'm going to select that new entry. And then from the drop-down menu, I'm going to select Live Load. And then I also am going to change its multiplier to 1. And then click Anywhere to confirm. Now, click on Add again. And then choose that new combination. And choose DL from the drop-down menu. And then change its value or multiplier to 2. And then click Anywhere again to confirm. And then I'm going to add a new entry. I'm going to select that entry. I'm going to select from the drop-down menu Live Load. And I'm going to change its multiplier to 3. Click Anywhere again to confirm. Now, as you notice that the last load case that we selected is new combination 5. So I'm going to click OK and scroll up and down to refresh. Now, at the bottom left corner, you notice that the current load case now is load case 5 or new combination 5. I would like to go back to the select case. So right click and then select case. And then click on Add. I'm going to select the new combination that I just created. And the first load case is going to be live load. And I'm going to change its multiplier to 1 and click OK to confirm. And then I'm going to add a new entry. I'm going to choose the second load case as combination 1 or combo 4 in this case. And I'm going to change its multiplier to 1. Click Anywhere to confirm. Notice that the load cases can be combined with combos as well. However, it is not recommended that the combinations of combos are done, or in this case, combining the same combo under its original combination, as this can cause problems later on, especially if you want to retrieve the result files from an already saved file. I'm going to click OK here to close the Select Case dialog box, and then I'm going to right click and going to go to the Results Manager. And then I'm going to enable the main contour, and then I'm going to solve it. So I'm going to click Close, I'm going to solve it. And it has solved successfully, so I'm going to click OK and scroll up and down to refresh. Now, the results that are displayed are based on the selected load case that I'm on. In this case, I'm on new combo 6. Before concluding this tutorial, I'm going to close the PL post. And as soon as I click on close, it prompts me to save a .res file or results file. So I'm going to click yes. I'm going to save it as tutorial18.res. Now, I'm going to go to the folder that it saved it in. Now, the results file is important as it enables the user to save the results on a separate file, especially if the geometry is final. Now, this enables the user to send the results to other users to be viewed on the PL post or on other design packages. This is obviously a very useful feature here in the PL pack. And this concludes our tutorial.